So what we do is we do 2 oranges, 1 lemon, and we put it in here. Oh, and it goes like that, and we throw that out. Kobe! Oh, Kobe? Oh! Don't mess up the wall, bro. Your mom just cleaned that wall. All right, so now we're gonna drink it. Knock it out. This will give you the power to win. All of it, all of it, all of it at the same time. Go! Go, go, go! Hey, Veezy Kids! All right, guys, we got the 2 Florida boys here. You saw we called them out on a challenge, a fishing challenge, and they're pretty good, so we might be losing. However, we got them to the farm. We're gonna show them around, and we had a rat or a mouse that we caught that we need them to get rid of because Anthony's afraid.
I'm Steven from 2 Florida Boys, and this is my brother.
I'm Brandon from 2 Florida Boys.
And they will have their channel linked below, their Instagram link below. Make sure you guys check them out. They're amazing, and they're gonna be exterminating a rat today. We had a rat that was down here eating our dog food, and that's him, and I'm probably gonna have to blur it out, but that's him. So we're gonna, I don't know, maybe we'll feed a gator in the canal. So you guys know there's gators in the canal back here. So we're gonna feed the gators today.
Can I jump the fence?
You can do anything you want here, dude. Nice. Look at how they jump a fence. Tony, how come you can't jump a fence? All right. Hey.
Not to be beaten.
Not to be beaten ever. All right, so there's gators in here. So once you throw that rat in, something will end up eating it eventually.
Oh, it slipped out of my hand. That's kind of disgusting.
No, it was perfect. It was right in the center.
I got some rat skin on my thumb.
Nice.
You want it?
Anthony, you want to taste that? All right, I wasn't recording, but as tradition, somebody already fell in the pond. I think he jumped.
I think someone was pushed in. I think I was pushed in.
Find the fish.
I believe I can fly.
All of you guys are crazy. So you guys know it's tradition. When new people come over to the farm, they gotta eat to the ducks. So who's up first?
I'll go first.
All right, you better make it in the water. Yeah, you gotta make it in the water. All right, because you're gonna get made fun of if you don't.
Made it.
Bro, that wasn't the water. That's the grass.
Could not have
That's the water.
Brandon,
from the water.
Brandon,
They're both green.
do it like this.
Brandon.
Yeah.
Hey!
I'm colorblind. They're both purple.
So now we are gonna go cast net in that pond, and we're gonna get some bait for our fishing challenge today. So I think we'll give them, I don't know, 3 casting nets full of bait, whatever they pick, and then we'll get 3 casting nets full of bait, whatever we take, and we'll use that for our live bait besides worms and everything like that. But I think 3 throws, because these guys look like they can throw a casting net, and we can't, but we will.
Little
Anthony
does Papa Veezy know that his net's 4 feet and ours is 6.
So it's easier?
And you get a lot more.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go first. We're gonna cast net. So I don't know how you guys cast net, but I learned from Paul. You go 1, 2, 3, and you gotta use your mouth though.
Yeah, mouth is the best.
So then you grab this in half, and then you go mouth. Hey, move, duck.
How do we catch that?
Take them all, Tom. Put them in there.
How do we catch that? Okay, we don't have a lot.
That was terrible. We might count that. You saw that, right? And you saw that, right? We might have to count. He's still going to pull a monster up, unless it's a stick. Oh, really the safest. Like that. That's good. What is it, just little stuff?
Yeah, a little tilapia actually. I thought there was something bigger in there.
They're monsters!
Hey, it's full!
Legit monsters! Oh wow, look at that monster. There's the monster.
Yeah, of course.
Oh my god!
So give me the little ones to put the breeders
This
back.
thing is massive!
We can eat that for dinner tonight. All right.
Oh, look at that thing. I got it.
Okay.
Hey, throw the mine cichlid back too. I don't like fishing with those. All right, guys, so this is what we got so far. I know it's small, but we got air in there, and these are all bait fish. We'll put them in a bigger one once we get to the truck. But this is what we're gonna use for our bait. Oh.
Got a big one.
Dude,
Yeah.
this is unfair. Veezy Kids, I didn't know that they were bringing stuff like this. What the heck?
It's small. What?
Dude, it's bigger than your head, Anthony. If you catch something with this, we're gonna just quit. We're just gonna quit and lose. Hey, so we got a text message from Paul Cuffaro who wanted to put the rules in here. So you guys want to see what he said?
What up, Veezy Kids and the Florida boys? It's PC here, and I got a challenge for you. Whoever loses this challenge that you're doing, the fishing challenge, has to belly flop into the water. So if you lose, you got a consequence. Don't
Let me do
lose.
it.
Okay.
Catch them fish.
Okay.
All right.
All right, so this is the water that we found, an undisclosed location that we're not telling anybody. It's the honey spot. What?
I already lost.
No, hey, wait, there's an alligator. So listen, this is our undisclosed location. We have all that over there. We have all this over here. So we're gonna set a timer on the phone for 1 hour. And the challenge is whoever catches the biggest fish, whoever catches the most exotic fish, and I'm guessing whoever catches the most fish.
I'm catching the biggest.
That's mine then. Well, let me get the phone ready. We're gonna start this and then we're just gonna get out there and do our thing. Best of luck to you.
You too.
You almost cut my arm off, dude. The hour has begun. Hey, the hour has begun. Best of luck to you. Biggest fish, most exotic fish, and I guess most fish. Dang, that sucks. I can't catch a lot. I can get one. All right, let's get it.
Starting.
Give me a bait now. Hurry.
Can you hold me?
Yeah, you're good. Catch it. Guys, you see this moving? I'm letting him cover the ground. So then you just put this here, and then you go get another thing.
It is moving. It's getting it.
Then I got a chatterbait on this one. Oh, I feel the mosquitoes. See how he tried to come over to our spot over here?
Bruh.
Look at the size of this! Keep it. Yo, we're taking this home.
That is a nice one.
All right, but do you know how to take it off?
Yes!
All right, show me.
I don't.
Peacock bass? Is that what it is?
Yeah, this
It's
is a
sweet.
female. Because the male has a big bump on its head. Beautiful. Look at the pec fins are beautiful red. And that's their giveaway.
Come on,
that
bring it here.
black spot.
Can you pull up the water?
No, you can. Bring it here. Hurry. We weren't prepared. Oh my God.
Run,
More. We need more water.
Run. See this? Wow.
All right, I'm giving this guy a ton of water. There, he's good. Oh, yeah, that's cool now.
She'll be all right.
All right, so aerator. That's what we need. Dude, that thing was huge. All right, guys, quick cut to the house, and then we're gonna come back fishing. But we wanted to cut to the house because, I don't know, maybe we're gonna do the outro there. But we got Rihanna and Alyssa here, and Rihanna, grab that fish for me, by under his gill and under his belly, and let's put this female peacock. Oh my God, it's so big.
It's huge.
It's huge.
But you're the only one that could grab it because I think he's scared. Hold him out in front of us.
Guys.
All right. All right, bring him to the thing. Bring him to the dock.
Hi.
All right, Bill.
Hi, Billy. Billy Boppy.
You ready? Okay, bye.
Oh,
Wasn't that thing huge? Hey, in all honesty, I know we're a team. Anthony caught him.
Wow.
All right, guys, back to fishing. But it ain't the biggest and it ain't the most exciting.
No.
But it's you guys are.
we
in the
caught
lead
it
for
on
the
a
most.
worm. Yes.
Yeah, see the worm?
That's like.
Hey, Veezy Kids. All right, listen. They're in the lead for the most fish, which I'm gonna tell you right now, I didn't agree on the most fish because we literally are like a 1 fish a day kind of guys. You know? Kind of guys, 1 fish a day. But we are definitely in the lead for the biggest fish, and we're definitely in the lead for the most exotic fish. We got about 10 minutes left. I'm about to take this. This was my secret weapon, but it isn't working. It's a crankbait. I'm just gonna put a regular worm on here and see. 10 minutes.
Got a little one.
It's a little one though.
What's that? 2 for you?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll do that right there.
Yeah.
Where it's nothing underneath it.
So cute.
There it goes. All right, guys. You guys hear the alarm going off? It's over. However, Veezy Kids got the biggest fish. Anthony caught that monster. 2 Florida boys caught the most fish. They caught like 30. So I think it's only fair for all of our viewers that everybody goes in. So.
For the kids.
Oh, it's under my foot! I gotta shoot!
Guys, heads up. We've spotted alligators in here.
Thank you.
So just be cautious, all right?
Over his head.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys to the 2 Florida boys for coming for this competition. Click up here to see more Veezy Kids and stick up. Dude, I'm scared of these guys. Definitely need to click on their YouTube and their Instagram. It's popping. They got so much fun stuff going on. Stick around, like I said, to the next episode. We got some more bangers planned for you.
Spotted alligators in here.